After spending all day completing detailed SEO audits, you probably feel way more like Eeyore than Tigger. You want to help your clients rank high on search engines, but it's hard to deliver quality SEO reports when you're also trying to boost your own ranking. If only there was an SEO audit toolkit that was packed with white labeling features that do all the heavy lifting for you. Say hello to SERPWizz. What is SERPWizz? SERPWizz is an SEO audit toolkit that tracks performance with white label reporting features for detailed, shareable audits. Get a comprehensive audit of your webpage with all the SEO rank factors in one place, prioritized in a clear, actionable way. Alternative to SEO Timer, Sitechecker.pro, SEO Ranking, and SERPstat. Generate instantly shareable white-labeled SEO reports for your clients, including your branding. Best for SEO agencies, freelancers, and digital marketers looking for an easy way to generate in-depth client SEO audits. The toolkit to measure and track your SEO performance. Create an on-page SEO audit report with white label features on SERPWizz today. Explore the features that keep your site performance and team on track with our SEO audit tool. Easy to use SEO tool. We give you all of the information needed to improve your SEO through the SERPWizz website audit tool. Professional-looking white label reports with your brand. Perfect for SEO agencies that want to create beautiful reports for their clients via a free website audit tool. Embed our audit tool. Easily embed the audit tracking code into your site to connect to our SEO audit tool. Free SEO tools and widgets. Lots of free SEO tools and widgets included on our platform with our site audit tool. A complete audit of your website. All your SEO rank factors are in one place. Clear, actionable, and prioritized all through our website audit tool. Add your entire SEO team. Ideal for individual or SEO teams who want to collaborate through the use of website auditing tools. SERPWizz instantly performs in-depth website audits and generates reports packed with everything you need to evaluate a site's SEO, usability, and performance. Audit all the important on-page SEO elements like title tags, meta descriptions, headings, keyword consistency, internal links, and much more. You can also audit technical and off-page SEO elements like backlinks, page speed, site structure, sitemaps, and index pages. Plus, you're able to create professional white label reports and share them with prospects as PDFs or shareable links. You can customize your white label SEO reports with your company branding like logos, headers, and colors for a seamless client experience. Edit the audit report template to include company details like your business name, email, website, and phone number. Best of all, once you hand these reports off to clients and prospects, they'll look like they came straight from your team, not SERPWizz. SERPWizz also helps you generate leads. You can increase conversions by embedding your calendar link, videos, or anything using an IFRAM code on your website. The SEO audit tool also works as a lead magnet. After your prospects complete the form on your website, you can capture their information to use for their SEO audit. Access and organize all your SEO audit reports for leads right from the SERPWizz dashboard, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. Plus, you can embed SERPWizz tools on your website for visitors to use independently, like SEO results, link analysis, and usability. SERPWizz also makes it easy for you to know what your website's best keywords are in just a few clicks. Open up the keyword rank tracker and add up to 500 keywords to check organic rankings based on the search engine, country, city, language, and device. Using Zapier, you can even connect SERPWizz to any of your favorite apps and integrate workflows seamlessly. That means you're able to send new data from an audit form, connect with prospects, and set up lead funnels and email marketing campaigns stress-free. You won't be treated like an SEO expert if your clients realize that you're outsourcing your services to other tools. That's why SERPWizz has white labeling features that let you offer comprehensive SEO audit reports to your clients without breaking a sweat. Add SEO audit reports to your toolkit. Get lifetime access to SERPWizz today. SERPWizz plans and features. Deal terms and conditions. Lifetime access to SERPWizz. All future agency plan updates. No codes, no stacking, just choose the plan that's right for you. You must activate your license within 60 days of purchase. Ability to upgrade or downgrade between 3 license tiers. 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you. Features included in all plans. Unlimited website and lead audits. PDF report download. Unlimited reports. Embed audit tool. Separate tools embed. Export leads. Zapier integration. Calendar embed. Meta keywords. URL rewrite. Image alt tags. Title tags. HTML header tags. Text HTML ratio. Appsumo offers 3 pricing plans. Pricing number 1. License tier 1. One-time purchase of $69. All features above are included. Access to all SERPWizz tools. 150 rank checker keywords. 5 team members. 50 audits per day. Pricing number 2. License tier 2. One-time purchase of $139. All features above are included. Access to all SERPWizz tools. 250 rank checker keywords. 10 team members. 100 audits per day. White labeling. Pricing number 3. License tier 3. One-time purchase of $229. All features above are included. Access to all SERPWizz tools. 500 rank checker keywords. Unlimited team members. Unlimited audits per day. White labeling. So why are you late? Get SERPWizz Lifetime access today. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.